Cooking with the Cat by Bonnie Wharf, illustrated by Christopher Moroney. Look, the cat wants to cook. Look, a book. The cat has a cookbook. We need a tin. Which tin will win? The thin tin is best. Put back the rest. We need ham and jam. Lots and lots of pots. We spot the pot. Hot shot into the pot. A pot shot, not so hot. We take a seat. We start to beat. No, we do not eat the treat. We beat. Do you see how they're working as a team right here? One is holding the pot while the other is directing where the glop should go. Stop that glop. Mop up that glop. Here comes thing 1 and thing 2. We always know they're up to no good. Do not drop the mop in the glop. We heat the treat. A spot on the pot. Got the pot. Ding! They're all done. A neat seat to eat a treat. We eat and eat and eat and eat. This treat cannot be beat. What is your favorite treat? As you can see in the story, they made muffins. Well, it didn't start out that way, but that's what it became with a little imagination.